Graphs Part 2, Pictographs. This video was made by Math GPS. A pictograph is a way to show data. Each picture on the graph represents a certain number of things. A key is always used to identify the number each picture represents. If each picture is 6 donuts, how many strawberry donuts were sold? How many lemon donuts were sold? How many chocolate donuts were sold? Problem 1. Coach Leach used a pictograph to show the number of baskets made during a basketball game. How many baskets did Marcos make? How many baskets did Juan make? How many baskets did Matthew make? How many baskets did Luciano make? How many baskets were made by the 4 players in all? How many more baskets did Juan score than Matthew? Problem 2. The daily number of hot air balloons launched at a festival in Fredericksburg, Texas are shown on a pictograph. According to the key, what does each picture represent? How many more balloons on Thursday than Wednesday? How many more balloons on Saturday than Thursday? How many balloons were flown during the festival? Why do you think more balloons were flown on Saturday than the other days? Problem 3. A children's hospital in San Antonio, Texas gives every patient a teddy bear. The number given over a 4-month span of time is shown on the pictograph. According to the key, what does each picture represent? How many teddy bears were given away in March? In April? In May? In June? How many more bears were given away in March and June than given away in April and May? Why do you think more bears were given away in June? Problem 4. Leah, Anna, Mia, and Tina counted the text messages they received today. The number of messages is shown in the pictograph. According to the key, what does each picture represent? How many more messages did Anna receive than Tina? How many fewer messages did Leah receive than Anna? How many messages did Anna, Mia, and Tina receive? If Leah reduces the number of messages received by 1/2, how many messages will that total? If Mia doubles the number of messages, how many messages will that total? Pictographs are a way to show data. This video was produced by Math GPS. You can download a free copy at our website. Thank you.